So, welcome again to my lovable, wonderful viewers. Welcome again to my channel. So today I just chose for you a very special dish. It's not like a typical dish, a Filipino dish like we usually have. So for now, I'll be showing you an international dish which is different from the other dishes I've been preparing, right? But it will be made easier for you. It will be on my version. So as I said, I'm not a chef. I'm not a cook at all. I'm just a typical person like you, looking for some techniques and recipes which will make my life more easy. So, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button to get more notifications on my new uploaded videos. Okay? So, this dish is called the Malaysian Curry. The Malaysian curry is actually slightly different from the Filipino, because the Filipino dishes like our usual chicken curry is just curry and the coconut milk and not so much spices. But for the Malaysian curry, they place like chilies and then lemongrass for the paste, and then turmeric, sugar, onions, ginger, garlic, and oil, and then they just blend it all together until it becomes a paste, and that's it. But then it will be so time consuming for us, and we want to make our life very easy. So I decided, I found the best paste for you guys. And the best paste I found in the market is this one. Okay, it's the Malaysian curry paste and chicken curry. So it has all the ingredients I just mentioned to you, and it's already prepared, so you don't have any problem in cleaning everything turning yellow in your blender and everything. No fuss at all. Why not just use this? Just place it in your chicken and that's it. This is the secret of a very good Malaysian. Actually, you can find other Malaysian curries, but so far I think they found this is the best one for me, my choice. So let's start going. Or we start with our ingredients. I'll just show you the ingredients. So we have here, of course, the onions, the garlic for sauteing, and we have the bell pepper and the potato or sweet potato. I use sweet potatoes. I don't use regular potatoes since they're very starchy. Sweet potatoes very healthy because of their fiber in it. So usually I always use sweet potatoes and not the regular potatoes. And then of course we have carrots. So they'll be just sliced as big as this, maybe an inch big, same as the sweet potatoes. In the regular Malaysian curry, they don't use carrots, but for me, since it's my version and I find it much better, I use carrots. And so with the bell pepper. And then I have, of course, the chicken. So the chicken are the bone parts or the dark meat parts, the juiciest of the chicken. It's more flavors. That's why I chose this. Right? Secret to the curry is the bones of the chicken, where we get the juices. And then we have, of course, the coconut milk. This is the coconut milk. So it can be any of your brand, or you can go to the market, get the fresh coconut milk, and then just freeze it until the time you want to use it. Just defreeze, and then voila, it's still fresh, even you just bought it the other day, as long as it's in the freezer. But I found out it's much better. You always have cans in your pantry. Always have cans of coconut milk. It tastes very good with dishes. I don't know why, but coconut really brings out the taste of each dish. So usually you can use milk or yogurt, but I found out since it's abundant in the Philippines and the taste of coconut mixed with the curry, what can I say? It's special. Okay, so to saute the onions and garlic, we'll be also using the coconut oil. Coconut oil, most important oil after olive oil, as I always say. Okay, so we'll just place everything together. We'll start cooking, sauteing the onions and garlic. So let's start. So we're heating up the pan, just in medium heat, so don't get too hot. And then we'll be using our oil for sauteing. And then of course, someone just told me from my last vlog why I put the garlic and onions together. Actually, it doesn't mess up with the taste, and it's my version. You can saute your onions and garlic any way as you want, and it will still taste the same. So here we just saute until the garlic turns brown and the onions turns transparent again. So just wait for a while, and then when it gets brown and translucent, then we can just drop in the chicken. So the onions now and the garlic are already brown or translucent. We can add in now our chicken. So just make the fire a little bit stronger. And then we can just cook them up like this. Now you can also marinate your chicken ahead, like a day before, with the paste, the Malaysian paste. There. You can marinate them and then just place it in the pot like that, so it'll be more tastier. But for me, it's fine. It's really tasty still, even you don't marinate it. So you can just wait for the chicken to be a little bit like this, like a little bit white, and then we just place the curry in. Actually, I bought this on an offer, so it was on sale. The original price was like 91 pesos, and I got them half the price. But even though it's 91 pesos, it's worth it, because this pack actually can make three meals. Like you can use it for 3 dinners if you want. If you can't get enough from one dinner, maybe the next dinner and the next dinner continues, no problem. I could really love this. Even I can eat the whole day Malaysian curry. I love spices, really. So almost done. I'll just make it a little bit white like that. And then you just can put in the curry paste. So this is already pre-opened already. I already used half of it in my other meal before. And you can put as much as you want. Depends on how spicy you want your dish to be. Yeah, so I'm just placing it all now. I think it's much better, spicier. I love spicy. So while I'm doing this, I want to tell you guys that next week I plan something special for our next vlog. So it will be something very different, not like our regular cooking. So maybe I'll do some reviews. I'm just thinking about it right now. Maybe I'll do some reviews. I want to do something really different. So please subscribe and press that notification bell so you'll be notified. Usually I upload my videos every 3 to 4 days, which is like twice a week. So you can try other Malaysian curry pouches like this or paste. Maybe something suits your taste. So this is the best so far. So just place the fire a little bit lower. Yeah. So chicken. Yummy. And then after this, we can just place a little bit water and then bring it to a boil and simmer and make the chicken cook a bit. And then we can place in our carrots. So we're placing the water now. So like above the chicken, so the chicken will be cooked, well cooked. So we'll just wait for it to simmer and then we'll be back. So now the chicken is simmering. It's almost done. Doesn't have to be really cooked because it will cook again. It will be still cooking with the sweet potato carrots. So next I'll be placing in the carrots. Since the carrots are more tough, we have to put them first. Sweet potatoes tend to cook very fast, not like the regular potatoes. So we'll just make the carrots cook a little bit first, and then when you put the sweet potatoes, they will cook very fast. Here, so we'll just simmer again, and then we'll place in the sweet potato. So they're almost cooked now, the sweet potato and the carrots. So now I can just add in the bell pepper. So here. And then also the coconut oil together. Coconut milk, sorry. So just so we'll just make it simmer for a while. Oh, yummy. So we'll just wait for it to simmer. We're almost done. There, so it's been already simmering away and the sauce is already a little bit creamy now, here as you can see. So it's already done. You can just turn off the stove and just serve it. So here it is, my own version of an easy, budget-friendly Malaysian curry. So I hope you enjoy the same way as I enjoy this meal. So we'll just serve it now. So happy eating!